What's up, guys? So, can we start a business with $600 carpet cleaning business? Make $100, $300 an hour? Maybe. Stick around and let me show you what I got. Alright, guys, so we're doing low moisture. Very small job. We got just this room and this room. Now, I'm going to really surprise you guys real quick if you keep watching on what machines we're using to do the job. So I went around and treated the pet stains with that, did the agitation on the spots with that, went around and did my agitation with this, with agitating the pre-spray in, and we're just using this nice little machine. Auric Orbiter. About $500, guys. In most cases, residential maintenance kind of cleaning, this will do the job. So we keep it on the van for smaller, or when we're doing a larger VLM job, one person can have that, one person can have a bigger machine. It takes up less space in the van. We also have a brush for that, so you can use it for agitation too. So if you guys don't have a CRB, that's a good resource there. You can put the brush on these things and use that as your agitation machine for $500. And then also have the option to go ahead and do some VLM. All right, so this customer used to use low moisture all the time. Then she got a pet, and now she gets pet treatments. So initially we came in here and did hot water extractions. The majority of the time we do hot water extraction. This is just another maintenance one. We were only in here, I don't know, like a couple months ago, it seems. But the pet had a few spots, some throw up and stuff. So treated those areas, and we're just going ahead and do a little moisture. So guys, $500 plus a pump up sprayer. We're talking about $600. You can start your carpet cleaning business. This is that hustle, at least. You know what I mean? Okay, this method you get between 1-2 hours dry times. I always say 2 to 4 hours. There's always still better to under promise, right? But if the ceiling fans are set and the temperature's right, you're gonna get those fast dry times. So there's different methods, right? So what we do is we soak the bonnet and wring it out real good, do the initial cleaning, then we'll go over it with the dry bonnet, and that'll really help leave it a lot drier than hot water extraction. Speeds up the dry time. So we do charge extra for this. So if a customer wants low moisture, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna have to pay that fee. So there's a little dark spot right there. Let me go ahead and see that. Just water spills and stuff like that. So just normally, whether there's a pet treatment or not, you want to address those. All right. So this right here could be your agitation device here for hot water extraction or low moisture. $20, Home Depot. Works amazing. These things also pull up hair too. That's awesome. All right, guys, so you gotta make sure you have a encapsulation type of formula, something that's good for VLM, low moisture cleaning. So I always have this in my van. So it's a 17-inch. These things are probably around $1,500 nowadays, right? And yes, I prefer to operate one of those, especially when you're in larger homes, right? It looks a little bit more impressive, although this one's had its years on it. Look, the paint shipping off. But I have an orbiting machine that's a lot bigger for when I know I'm doing low moisture. But it takes up more space. So this is always a backup. Say something happens to my truck mount, I can always do low moisture. All right. So that's a 175. The orbiting machine in there, the Orc Orbiter, that is a machine that it orbits, so you don't have to worry about going through walls or anything like that. Very easy to use. So yeah. All right, so you're gonna have to rake it in at the end, make all the fibers stand up. That way you get some quick dry times and it looks good. Put on some shoe covers, you're gonna walk back over that. You know, makes sense, right? Yeah, not much needed for low moisture. It's really great. Looking good. Looks good. A couple little spots we wanted to address in here. Kind of went back over it. It might have been organic that didn't get treated. But easy clean, huh? A little moisture, encapsulation formula. It's gonna dry quick. It's not gonna leave any soapy residue, which means longer cleans, right? So longer lasting cleans. So when they vacuum, it's gonna be even better because anything left behind is encapsulates, right? And vacuums up, bringing along any leftover soils and stuff, right? If you guys want to learn how to start a carpet cleaning business, link below all my videos, step-by-step guide and proper way to start a carpet cleaning business, from pricing to technique to so much more. All right. All right, everything put back away nice and see, as you can tell, the orbiter doesn't make the Orc Orbiter doesn't take up too much room. It's nice. So you can actually, if you have a small car or something like that, really, you can get it in your back seat. That's crazy, right? All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you like this one, let me know below. See you in the next one.
Started from the dirt where the dreams don't grow.